Hello everyone. Welcome to Buvis e-learning. New viewers, do subscribe, press like and click the bell button.
Let us see the program to print student details using pointers and structures. So first we have declared the library functions stdio.h and stdlibrary.h. So next we are moving to the struct. As we are using the structure here, struct and student is the structure name. Next we are going to declare the variables necessary for structure. So first for the student roll number, int roll number. Next for the student name, char name in the size 30. Next for branch, character branch in the size of 4. And for marks, int marks. So next we are going to declare the main function here, int main. Let us declare the structure and pointers over here. So struct student std as the structure variable, and again struct for pointer we are giving as struct student asterisk stud. So now we are going to assign the structure variable, assigning value to the structure variable. So stud equal to and std. Now let us give the printf statement for the roll number, name, branch and marks to get the roll number of the student. So for that, printf within quote /n, enter roll number, before that if we need we can give another one printf statement /n program to calculate, program to print student details using structures and pointers. So next we are moving to the scanf statement. So for roll number we are going to give the modulus of d and stud. Here we are using minus greater than, that is arrow operator, which is used to access the elements of a structure, or it will help to access the union elements. So student roll number, next printf /n enter name, scanf modulus of, here we are going to give s as name as a string or character, stud arrow operator name, printf /n enter branch, scanf. So it is also a string, so we are going to use modulus of s comma stud arrow operator branch printf for total marks. So within quote slash n, enter marks. In this scanf, we shall give modulus of d for marks as an integer stud. So now we are going to get all the roll number, entered roll number, name, branch and marks now. So for getting that, printf slash n roll number modulus of d comma stud operator and roll number. Here also we can give printf within bracket double quotes slash n name of the student colon modulus of s comma stud operator name. Printf double quote slash n branch colon modulus of s comma stud operator and branch here. And finally printf within quote slash n marks colon modulus of d comma stud operator marks. Now return 0 finally. So in this we are going to now we shall build and run the program. So here program to print student details using pointers and structures. Enter roll number, let me give it as 5105, name as Buvis, branch IT, marks 600. So we have got the entered marks over here. So process for execution time is 23.499 seconds. I hope you clearly understood this program. If you have any queries, text me in the comment. Press like and do share the video to your friends.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share.